Hey everyone, and welcome to Keto Tribe. Today we'll discuss the 5 signs that you are fasting too much. Be sure and watch this video until the end and receive all 5 of the tips. And be sure to hit the subscribe button on our channel to receive weekly notifications for new videos from Keto Tribe. If you're new to intermittent fasting and you notice your weight loss stall, your thirst increase, or your stomach discomfort, this video will help you figure out some of the causes for this. Studies show that most people who reduce their eating window to 4 hours consume 650 calories less than most people. Not everyone doing intermittent fasting will reduce their eating window to 4 hours. With a smaller eating window, the harder it is to replenish your body with the necessary nutrients to function normally. Although fasting has many hormonal benefits, it can put your body in a mineral deficit and cause your body to break down. Increasing your protein intake can be a good remedy for this dilemma. Now let's get into the 5 signs. Number 1, slow metabolism. Your body uses a hormone called leptin to send messages to your brain to regulate fuel amounts to your body. This sends a message to your brain to speed up or slow down your metabolism. If you lower calories too much, it weakens the leptin indicators in your body. Leptin needs to be low to speed up your metabolism. However, if your leptin levels are often low, this will slow down your metabolism. This is why you shouldn't fast every day. 2 to 3 times a week for intermittent fasting is optimal. You should want your leptin to drop in spikes, then return to normal. In addition, if you reduce your calories too much, your thyroid levels will drop, thus slowing down your metabolism. Number 2, sore and stiff. This is due to a lack of protein. If you are active, you should consume more protein than a non-active person. During your eating window, be sure to consume additional protein on the days you fast. And on the days you don't fast, be sure to consume high amounts of protein to aid in the recovery and healing process from fasting and working out. Number 3, feeling cold during your fast. Feeling cold during your fast is a good sign that the fast is working. When you fast, your regular body fat takes on properties of visceral fat. During your fast, the visceral fat is a primary fat that is burned off the body. So the reason you feel cold during a fast is because visceral fat is a poor conductor of body heat. This condition should only last during your fast, and it should subside shortly after you break your fast. If you're still cold after a fast, this may be a sign that you're fasting too much. Number 4, bloated face. When you're fasting, you'll lose large amounts of electrolytes and water. During a fast, you will also become deficient on minerals in your body. You will lose 500 to 600 milligrams of potassium, 300 to 400 milligrams of sodium, and 200 to 300 milligrams of magnesium. During your eating window, you may or may not replenish those minerals you've lost. If not, and you continue to fast, you may become mineral deficient. This may cause your body to hold water and may cause you to look bloated. After a fast, this may be normal, but if it continues for an extended period of time, you're most likely fasting too much. Number 5, disrupted bowel movements. Since fasting breaks down the mucosal layer of your gut, when you refeed, this can be hard on your stomach. The frequent breakdown of the mucosal layer of your gut can be hard on your stomach. Over time, this can weaken your stomach. This can cause intestinal discomfort and throw you off schedule with your bathroom breaks. In conclusion, you should not fast every day. Fasting should be sporadic and spontaneous to give your body a chance to replenish and recover, almost similar to lifting weights. As always, keep it locked here on our channel. And don't forget to like, comment, and hit that subscribe button. See you in the next video. Take care.